Software engineers are very important in the world today. If we think about all of the ways that we depend on software inside our cars, it's running aeroplanes, it's in our social life.
As society is becoming more and more digital, we need more people who are able to help build the backbone of that, which is all the software.
Software is in everything that we use these days, not just in companies, it's in every aspect of our life.
Digital technology within business is there to drive forward efficiencies in process. If that stops working or it becomes inefficient or becomes corrupted, those businesses and the livelihoods that depend on those businesses will ultimately suffer.
There aren't enough software engineers being graduated from universities to fulfil the needs that industry has these days, so companies are desperate for our graduated software engineering students. A software engineer designs, builds, tests and delivers software systems. So practically every company in the world now uses software systems and relies on software systems to be safe, reliable, usable for the people that are depending on those systems increasingly now. One of the unique things about software engineering at Lancaster University is that we have a really great software studio, and in those studio modules students develop software projects as if they're in industry. They work in groups, they deliver software, very complex software, using very modern tools and techniques that really gives them a great experience of what it's like to be a professional software engineer.
So one of the major practical things you do in software engineering is the studio project modules. The one I enjoyed most was probably in second year, where we had to develop our own idea, and our group decided to do something for digital accessibility. And it was really interesting to combine having to do the practical design aspect of creating software, but collaborating it with researching quite a niche topic at times and making sure we were trying to be considerate of a lot of things. For my undergraduate degree, it was very much focused on giving you a foundational knowledge of quite a few different areas. So first year was making sure everyone's on the same page. Second year was developing the skills, and then third year was giving you advanced applications of them, but while also giving you opportunities to work collaboratively and independently.
For software engineering students, a general first year provides a really great fundamental education and everything that they need to know. We really do focus on all the important parts of software engineering in the second and third year in particular. And there's a really great combination of tools and techniques that are really relevant to industry that we deliver on those programs. I think our course really does hook into the important elements of computing in society today. So not only do we teach the very important technical aspects of computing, but we combine that with the social impacts and the increasingly important ethical impacts. The software engineering students have quite a lot of interaction with industry people. So industry people come along to our software studios. We often have an end-of-year showcase of student and industry people come along and look at software engineering work. And the software industry are very keen to recruit our software engineering students.
The department supports career development through a few ways. So little things like setting up your LinkedIn and your public-facing profiles and your CV to be appealing to recruiters. But there's also things like the career development team who helped me when I was writing my CV to apply for my PhD, for example.
Our students graduate with great skills and they're in great demand from the software engineering industry. So we don't have any problems placing our students into great jobs. So most software engineering students will be a developer of some sort. They might develop software systems, but they might specialise, they might design systems, they might test systems, or they might go onto a general graduate training scheme to become a professional software engineer.